Electronic tool sets are essential for anyone who enjoys DIY projects or needs to perform maintenance and repairs around the house. There are many products available to choose electronic tool sets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electronic tool sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WorkPro 33 PCS Precision Repair Tool Set. WorkPro 33 PCS Precision Repair Tool Set is a multifunctional and portable tool set that includes pliers set, screwdriver set, craft and utility knife, tweezers, and electronic repair tool kit with a pouch. The precision repair kits can repair various electronic devices such as computers, phones, toys, glasses, lamps, and small appliances. The tool set features 10 different sizes of screwdrivers for various needs, four-piece pliers set made of drop-forged carbon steel with nickel plating, ergonomic and comfortable grip, and portable storage with a sturdy and durable pouch made of Oxford cloth. Number 2. Amazon Basics Magnetic Ratcheting Wrench. Amazon Basics tool set is a versatile 73-piece set that includes ratchet wrenches and precision screwdrivers. The non-magnetic precision screwdriver bits are perfect for delicate electronics like watches and smartphones. The magnetic bits are ideal for repairing common household appliances, such as air conditioners and refrigerators. With 3 driver settings, including ratcheting in both directions and a locked position, you can easily tighten or loosen fasteners. The chrome vanadium steel construction ensures durability, while the non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 3. Screwdriver Set Precision Screwdriver Bit Sets. Rartop presents the Precision Screwdriver Set 130-in-1, an essential tool for all your electronic repair needs. This mini screwdriver set includes a wide range of tools such as Phillips, Pentalobe, Torx, Hex, JS, slotted, triangle, square, and more, making it perfect for electronics, laptops, iPhones, jewelers, and other small repairs. The smart design features a built-in magnetizer to prevent the loss of small bits and screws. The toolbox is designed with a subbox to store small accessories independently. The handle comes with an anti-slip texture for easy use, and the flexible shaft adds versatility to the screwdriver. With additional accessories like a tweezer, suction cup, crowbar, and opening picks, this precision screwdriver set is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Upgrade your tool collection with the elegant and compact Rartop 130-in-1 screwdriver set. Number 4. DeCapro Drill Set. Tool Set. DeCapro Pink Drill Set is a lightweight cordless drill that comes with a rechargeable battery and is perfect for women to use for general DIY tasks. The 8V drill can be used for drilling in wood and plastic and tightening/loosening screws. The speed of the electric drill can be adjusted by pressing the switch, and the maximum no-load speed of the mini drill is 800 R/min. With a net weight of only 1.65 pounds, it is easy to operate with one hand. This multifunctional toolkit contains 126 pieces of practical and advanced tools for design, repair, or maintenance. It is perfect for decoration, furniture assembly, drilling, cutting, gardening, office, or daily home maintenance. Number 5. Perstormer 160-piece Home Repair Tool Set. Perstormer Tool Set is a high-quality 120-piece toolkit made of steel finished in heat-treated chrome, which makes it durable and corrosion-resistant. The handles are made of TPR material, which provides a comfortable grip. This toolkit is perfect for most small repairs and DIY projects around your house, garage, office, or yard. It includes basic tools such as a claw hammer, precision screwdrivers, combination pliers, adjustable wrench, and tape measure. It also has a dual-head mini ratchet screwdriver, sockets, and driver bits. The toolbox is sturdy and has organizers to keep all tools in place, making it easy to carry and stock. This toolkit is also a great gift choice for family members, friends, and partners. When opening the toolbox, please place the side with the Perstormer logo on top to prevent the tools from falling out.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.